How to fix the Wall Street Journal app not working. Hey everybody, in this tutorial, we're gonna see how you can fix if your Wall Street Journal app is not working. So the first thing you can try to do is open up the app, and from here, you can directly see all of the top stories for today. In order to log in, you can tap on the top left corner of your screen, and then tap on Join Now or Sign In. Now, if your app is not loading up, then in that case, you can just go ahead and open up the Play Store. Go to search bar and simply search for WSJ or Wall Street. Go to the Wall Street Journal app, and here you can just go ahead and update the app if it's not up to date. You'll find an update button here instead of open if your app is not up to date, so you just tap on it to update the app to its latest version. The next step is to long press on the app and find the I button here to go to App Info. Once you are here, head over to Permissions and make sure that these permissions are allowed for the app. So they are required to run the app smooth. Then you can just go ahead and select your storage and then clear cache. You could also tap on clear data and then delete these data. And if you have logged in, you're going to be logged out of your account once you delete your data. And finally, go to battery and make sure it's set to unrestricted or optimized. Then you can give a restart to your device and try to run the app again, and it should start working normally. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.